Hey guys, so today we're going to discuss the refreshCookie API. So it says here that refresh use cookie value manually when a cookie has changed. So here in the purpose section, it says here that the refreshCookie function is designed to refresh cookie value returned by the useCookie API. So this is useful for updating useCookie ref when we know the new cookie has been set in the browser. So let's go ahead and create an example for that. So here in the browser, I'm going to create a API endpoint. So that will be API, and then the endpoint will be token, and then it will be a post method. Okay, just like that. And then I'm going to generate the Nuxt event handler here. And then I'm going to call the read body. Okay, so read body and then event. And then I'm just going to extract the cookie. Okay, so the cookie property. So that we'll set that up later. And then here I'm going to set the cookie. So I'm going to call the set cookie API, and that will be event. And then the second parameter is going to be the name of the cookie. And then in this example, it's going to be token. So the value of this, so it's going to be the cookie from the read body. Okay, and then I'm just going to simply return 200. Okay, just like that. And then here in the app.view, so I'm going to call the API. So I'm just going to remove this, and then I'm going to create a button here, and that will be update update cookie. All right, and then I'm going to create an event handler here, or click event handler, and that will be handle cookie. And then I'm going to create a function here, so that will be handle cookie, just like that. And then I'm going to call the $fetch and then the API. Since the it is a method, so I'm going to make it post and then the body, and that will be cookie. And then I'm going to create a new variable here. So let's name it cookie val, and then it has a default value of 0. So here I'm just going to call the cookie val and then increment that. Okay, just like that. So let's test the cookie here, see if it works. So here in the our project, so I'm going to inspect, and then here in the storage, so here in the cookies, so as you can see, it doesn't have any cookies yet. So if I click the update or the button here, it has now a value, and then it will have the token name here. But if I keep updating that, so it increment to 1, and then 2, 3, and 4, and so on. Okay, so let's go ahead and call the useCookie API here. Okay, so token, and then useCookie. So the name of the token or the cookie is going to be token. So that's this one here. Okay, so let's display that in the client. So token, just like that. And then here in the browser, so if I refresh, notice that there's a 4 there. So that's the cookie value here from the token. So if I click update that, so now the value changes to 0, but the token value here does not update. It remains 4. Okay, so to update that, I'm going to use the refreshCookie, and then the name of the cookie, which is token. Okay, so let's go ahead and check that in the browser. So refresh, make sure that everything is fresh here. And then here in the cookies, so currently the value is 0. And then if I click on that, so it will update to 0 since the default value here is 0. But if I click again, so notice that the value here changes to 1, and then the value here in the cookies changes to 1 as well. So now it displays whatever the value or the current value of the cookies here, it displays in the client. So if I keep clicking that, so notice that the moment there's a changes on the value of the token name or the cookie name, it changes as well in the client. And then you can do whatever you want with the updated value of the cookie. So that's how you do refreshCookie API in Nuxt. So let me know if you have any questions.